Hello everyone, this is Nick and welcome back to ABC Hosting. What if I told you that you can host your uncensored website with zero restrictions, 100% DMCA ignored, and even get offshore hosting for free? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, it's 100% real. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get free offshore hosting with full DMCA Ignored Protection using QloudHost. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll be explaining everything step by step and you don't want to miss this free hosting deal. Before we dive into the offer, let's quickly understand what offshore hosting actually means and why it's so popular, especially for creators and website owners who want more freedom online. In simple words, offshore hosting allows you to host your website outside your own country's jurisdiction, usually in privacy-friendly locations like the Netherlands or Switzerland. This gives you more data privacy, better content freedom, and most importantly, protection against DMCA takedown notices if your content doesn't violate the hosting country's laws. Now let's talk about why this matters. If you've ever faced issues like content removal, copyright warnings, or censorship, offshore hosting is your best friend. Here's what makes it powerful. 100% DMCA ignored hosting. Your content stays safe from unwanted DMCA complaints. Freedom of speech. You can host adult sites, streaming platforms, or any other niche without censorship. Better data privacy. Your personal data is protected under offshore privacy laws. High performance. Modern offshore servers offer fast speed, uptime, and reliability, just like local hosting. Ideal for global websites. Your audience can access your site faster, no matter where they're from. So in short, offshore hosting gives you power, privacy, and complete freedom to run your website your way. And now, let's talk about the best part, how you can get it for free. Let me introduce you to QloudHost, one of the most trusted names in offshore hosting and DMCA ignored web hosting. QloudHost is known for providing 100% DMCA ignored VPS hosting with unrestricted content freedom and high-speed offshore servers. And right now, they're offering an exclusive deal for new users. 1 month free offshore VPS hosting when you buy a 1-year plan. 3 months free offshore VPS hosting when you buy a 3-year plan. Yes, you heard that right. You can host your website offshore with full DMCA protection and get up to 3 months of hosting completely free. All you have to do is visit QloudHost.com, go to their offshore VPS hosting page, choose your plan, and the free months will be automatically included. I've also added the official link in the video description below. Just click and grab your free hosting deal today. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried offshore hosting before? Or do you still have questions about DMCA ignored hosting? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll personally reply and help you out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web hosting tips, tutorials, and exclusive deals from QloudHost. So that's it for today, guys. We've learned what offshore hosting is, why it's important for unrestricted websites, and how you can get it free with QloudHost's limited time offer. Remember, your freedom online starts with where you host your content. Choose a hosting provider that respects your privacy, protects your content, and gives you real control. Thanks for watching. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay secure and keep creating.